And hi everybody out there, Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another 3-minute tips and tricks. 3 tips in 3 minutes, more or less. Now we all know, or I think we all know, how to cut, copy and paste. It's probably one of the most common skills that we do in our day-to-day work with our IT apps. But there are 3 big tips I'm going to give you right now. You should know the first 2, but the third one, when I found out, it just blew me away. So I hope it blows you away. So let's get into it. Now the first big tip is just to cut, copy and paste using your mouse or keyboard. I've just got my spreadsheet here, and all I want to do is copy this part here over to here. So as you would know, you select the text and you either go right click with the mouse and copy, or I would press Control C. Now you can't do both, you have to get rid of the menu to be able to use the keyboard. So Control C, very good, and click over here where I want it to go. Right click, paste one of these options here, or just Control V or enter. Now the second tip is what we call drag and drop. So we select our text, our cells in Excel or whatever, and we go to the edge in Excel or inside the particular selected text on the edge here in Excel, and when it's a 4-headed arrow, we can drag off to the right, and that is actually just moving the selected info. If you go to the edge and hold down your Control key first, just drag and drop with the Control key held down. This time that's copying the text and the data over to where you want it to go. I use drag and drop to copy pictures, text all the time. Here's my Word document. I want a copy of this photo. I just click on it, hold down the Control key, drag to the right a little bit, and there's an exact copy. And the third big tip is cutting or copying and pasting multiple items, one after the other. For example, I've got an email here from someone. They've got their first name, last name, and so on. And what I need to do is to copy and paste each section of the data here into my database, first name, last name, so on. So just an example. As you might know, you would need to copy and paste one bit at a time. So copy the first name, paste it in, come back here, copy this last name, paste it back in, and so you have to come back and forth. Windows has a multiple or a collection point for multiple things that you want to copy and paste, and you have to turn that on. So to turn that on, you press the Windows key and S for search and type in clipboard. It comes up clipboard settings. I will click here, and all I need to do is just to turn this on once and once only. It will apply to all the apps that you use for copying and pasting. Clipboard history, save multiple items. So we click here, so that turns it on, and then we can exit out. Now all I do now is to copy or cut the particular information one at a time. Then I can paste it in when I want to. So here I'm going to go double click, Thomas, Control C. Then I'll double click his last name, Control C to copy it. The phone number, Control C, and then the email address, Control C. They are all being collected or collated into the multiple clipboard area. Then I go back to my database or wherever I want to paste the thing in and click here the first name. Instead of Control V, you hold down the Windows key, Windows and V, and you get a little list of what you've copied or cut to the clipboard. And it's in reverse order of when I did it. So there's Thomas, I just go click and it puts it in. Next one, Windows V, there's the second one, just click that in, and next Windows V. I think you get the idea. And over here, Windows V, and there's the last one. There you go, people. As always, we cover all this in our courses. Have a look over here for the website link for all the sessions we've got coming up, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Mark Mannering here signing off from Class Training, and see you next time. Thanks. Bye.